the wake of the coronavirus disease that has hit several areas of our beloved country, several measures have been put in place to combat the virus by government, non-governmental institutions, and individuals. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, in his second address to the nation on measures being taken by his government to contain and prevent the spread of the virus, tasked the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development to liaise with the relevant authorities to improve hygiene standards in our markets, lorry parks, and public places.
The Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development should coordinate with the Metropolitan, Municipal and District Assemblies measures to enhance conditions of hygiene in markets across the country.
In March 2020, Zoomlion Ghana Limited collaborated with the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and other relevant institutions to successfully undertake the Phase 1 of the Nationwide Disinfection, Fumigation and Cleaning exercise, which largely contributed to the containment of the spread of the virus. According to the World Health Organization's policies and standard operating procedures on the cleaning and disinfection of environmental surfaces, in the context of COVID-19, periodic disinfection of public places and surfaces where people gather are some of the ways to contain and reduce community spread of the deadly virus. For this reason, the government, through Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development in collaboration with Zoomlion Ghana Limited, has begun the second phase of a nationwide disinfection, fumigation and cleaning of major markets, lorry parks and public places. The exercise was launched at the Independence Square by the Greater Accra Regional Minister.
I'm very happy to join you this morning to share a few words with you at the commencement of this important national disinfection, fumigation and clearing of markets, lorry parks and other public places in all MMDAs in the Greater Accra region. The Greater Accra region is embarking upon the second phase of the disinfection, cleaning and fumigation exercise, which will cover all markets in the region.
Honorable Ishmael Achite, who reassured Ghanaians that we can defeat coronavirus by obeying the strict preventive protocols put in place by the President, Nana Akufo-Addo.
If we observe the safety protocols that has been outlined for us by the health professionals, that's when we wash our hands with soap and the running water, practice social distancing, and wear face/nose mask, we will be contributing to curtailing the spread of the virus.
The Zoomlion disinfection and fumigation teams were dispatched after the launch to various markets and lorry parks in Accra, including Carnation Market, Madina Market, Taifa Market, Kwabenyaya Market, Adenta Market, Agbogboloshi, Accra Central, Kokompe, among several other places.
the President directed the Ministry of Local Government to coordinate to ensure that our markets are in good hygienic conditions. So we were interacted with the market women, we've been meeting with their leadership and then doing the sensitization. Now the market women, they are all aware about the COVID-19, coronavirus and COVID-19 issue. They are all aware about it, they know about it. And we also we provided masks. We won't say it's for everybody, at least we provided adequate numbers of masks to market women through the various assemblies throughout the country.
According to the sector minister, Hajia Alima Mahama, this exercise is part of the government's response to halting the spread of the novel coronavirus in Ghana and is meant, among other things, to ensure sanity at our markets and other public places amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
The President requested that we ensure that we do it at least quarterly. Yeah, so this is the second time we are spraying. And we are spraying nearly 2,000 markets all over the country, not only Greater Accra. Today is the first day and we are covering the whole of Greater Accra for the second time. And Tuesday will be Ashanti region. So Ashanti region will be covered. We are in Domain Market, and as I've indicated, today they haven't come to market. And the Assembly has also asked that tomorrow they stay off market so that they will follow up and do complete, comprehensive cleaning of the market.
After a successful exercise in the Greater Accra region, Zoomlion Ghana Limited marshaled its equipment, personnel, and machinery into the other regions of the country where the exercise is being replicated.
I'm very grateful to all of you for assembly here this morning to support us in this exercise of disinfection and cleanup. The President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has come out with various steps and measures to ensure that we contain and ultimately end this virus in the country. Some of the measures is what we are going to witness this morning. That is the cleanup and disinfection exercise. This is not the first time, as you are all witnesses. It did happen some few months ago where there was disinfection of all markets and lorry parks in the country, which was followed up with cleanup exercise and later with fumigation. The exercise is taking place across the whole country and within the Ashanti region. We have to do this to contain the pandemic. We have to do this to keep our markets clean and tidy. We are also grateful to Zoomlion for accepting to do this work. I know with the first exercise, they did disinfection in all the private schools free of charge. We are very, very grateful to them. And we need to give appreciation to some ministers, especially the Minister for Local Government and Rural Development, Honorable Alima Mahama, and then the Minister for Sanitation and Water Resources, Honorable Cecilia Abna Dapa, for the great work that they are doing for this country. Ultimately, all these things couldn't have happened without the good leadership of the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
The 2 weeks long exercise is to augment government effort in public education and sensitization at various public places in containing the spread of the virus, and will seek to clean, fumigate and disinfect markets, lorry parks, public spaces throughout the 16 regions of the country.